Good day everyone, welcome to CRT Covalent YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will solve examples in initial value problem with Laplace transform. Before we solve some examples, please take note of the formula for the Laplace transform of the derivative. For the first derivative, take note of this. For the second derivative, for the third derivative, and for the general form. Let us solve our first example. But first, take note that y is also our ft. And the Laplace of ft is equivalent to fs. Okay? So we will start with the Laplace of y double prime. So this is equivalent to s squared fs minus s y of 0 and minus y prime of 0. But take note, our initial value for y is 0 and y prime initial value is also 0. Therefore, this is now 0 and this is now 0. Okay? So for Laplace of y prime, this is equivalent to s fs and minus y of 0. But take note, this term is also 0. Okay? And for this term, Laplace of y is equivalent to fs. And in the right hand value of our equation, the Laplace of 5 is equivalent to 5 over s. Combining all these values in the left hand side of the equation, we have s squared fs. Okay. For the minus y prime term, we have minus s fs and plus fs equals 5. Let us now factor out fs. So we have s squared minus s plus 1 equals 5. And solving for fs, okay, so we have this value. So let me write first the denominator, and this is our denominator. So for this example, this is our final answer. Fs is 5 over s squared minus s plus 1. Next example. So first, let us solve the Laplace of y double prime. So this is s squared fs minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0. And take note again, our initial value for y is 0 and for y prime, initial value is also 0. Therefore, this term is 0. This term is also 0. Next, for the Laplace of y prime, So this is S, Fs, minus y of 0. And this term is 0. We will put 2 later. Then for the Laplace of y, this is equivalent to Fs. And for the Laplace of e raised to 40, this is equivalent to 1 over s minus 4. So combining all these values with corresponding multiplier, so we have s squared Fs, and then for plus 2, Laplace of y prime, so we have 2 s Fs. Then for plus 3, Laplace of y, so we have plus 3 Fs, equivalent to 1 over s minus 4. Next, factor out Fs in the left-hand side of the equation. So we have Fs, then the factor or the value is s squared plus 2s plus 3 equal to 1 over s minus 4. So therefore, our final answer here is Fs is equivalent to, okay, 1 over s minus 4 s squared plus 2s plus 3. Okay, again, our final answer is 1 over the quantity s minus 4 times the quantity s squared plus 2s plus 3. Our third example, so again, let us get the Laplace of y double prime. So we have s squared Fs minus s y of 0 and minus y prime of 0. Our initial value for y is 1 and for y prime, initial value is 2. Therefore, this is 1 and this is 2. Next, for the Laplace of y prime, we have s f of s minus y of 0. And y of 0 is 1. And for the Laplace of y, so this is the Laplace of y. This is equivalent to Fs only. For the Laplace of t, this is 1 over s squared. So combine these values with corresponding multiplier, the negative 5 here and positive 2 here. So we have s squared Fs minus s minus 2 for the first Laplace in our solution. Okay? Then for the second Laplace, we have to multiply that by negative 5. So for SFS, we have negative 5s Fs. And for negative 1 times negative 5, so we have positive 5. And for the last Laplace, we have to multiply that by 2. So multiply this by 2. Therefore, we have plus 2Fs equals 1 over s squared. So next, we can factor out Fs in these terms and transpose the other. So we have Fs times the quantity s squared minus 5s plus 2. And in the right side, we have 1 over s squared plus s. So for negative 2 plus 5, that is plus 3, transpose minus 3. Okay? So let us get the common denominator here. So we have s squared and then 1 plus s cubed minus 3s squared. So that is the equivalent of this term. And solving for fs, cross multiply this quantity. So we have now fs equals, okay, for the numerator, we have s cubed minus 3s squared plus 1. And for the denominator, we have s squared times the quantity s squared minus 5s plus 2. So this is our final answer for this example. For our last example, so again, Laplace of y double prime is s squared fs minus s y of 0 minus y prime of 0. For y of 0, our value is 2. So this is times 2. And for y prime of 0, this is equivalent to 1. Next, Laplace of y prime, we have s f of s minus y of 0. And y of 0 is 2. And Laplace of y is fs. For the right-hand value of the equation, the Laplace of te raised to negative 2t is equivalent to 1 over s plus 2 quantity squared. So you can get the formula from available table. Okay? So combining all these values, therefore we have s squared fs, okay, minus 2s minus 1. That is for the first Laplace. For the second Laplace, we have to multiply it by 7. So this will become plus 7s fs. And for this, negative 2 times 7, negative 14. Then, for this term, 3y, and that is equivalent to 3 f of s. Equivalent to 1 over s plus 2 quantity squared. Okay, so we can factor out fs here for this term, and this term. Therefore, fs times the quantity s squared plus 7s plus 3 equal to 1 over s plus 2 squared, and transpose this term with this term. So we have plus 2s and minus 15. Then combine this with common denominator. So we can rewrite this as s plus 2 quantity squared. Yan, for the denominator. For the numerator, we have 1 plus 2s minus 15 quantity multiplied by s plus 2 quantity squared. And for our final answer, solving for Fs, so we have the numerator is 1 plus 2s minus 15 quantity times s plus 2 quantity squared. Okay? So you can still expand this and distribute, but for now, this is our numerator. For the denominator, so we have s plus 2 squared multiplied by the quantity s squared plus 7s plus 3. So this is our final answer for this example. And this is our final example or last example. I hope you learned from this video tutorial. Good luck to your exam and God bless to all. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. You can leave a comment, you can share, like this video, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless to all.